In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop website with Uizard Auto Designer. Start by opening your browser on your computer and heading to uizard.io. This is the homepage for Uizard, a tool that helps you generate and edit website designs quickly. Once you're there, look for the option to sign up or log in. If you're new, create an account to get access. If you've used Uizard before, simply log in to continue. After you're in, you'll land on your workspace. Click New Project to begin. Uizard offers several ways to start, but for this tutorial, choose Auto Designer. This feature takes a description of your idea and turns it into multiple polished design concepts, which is great if you want to move from idea to layout fast. Next, select Desktop. This sets your project to a desktop website format so the canvas and components are sized appropriately for larger screens. You can always adapt designs later, but starting with the right format helps keep everything aligned. You'll see a text box where you can describe what your website is about. Be specific here. Mention the type of site, the audience, key pages or sections, and the style you're going for. For example, you might include the purpose, tone, and any important features. The clearer your description, the better the generated results will match your vision. When you're ready, click Generate Designs. Uizard will create several variations based on your prompt. This may take a moment. When the designs appear, browse through them and click on any layout you like to open it. Now it's time to personalize. Click on any text to edit it. Replace placeholder headings and paragraphs with real content, keeping titles concise and body text clear. Then click on images to replace them. Choose visuals that support your message and feel consistent with your brand or theme. Keep an eye on image quality so everything looks crisp on desktop screens. On the right side panel, you can change colors and fonts. Adjust the color palette to match your brand and pick typography that suits your tone and improves readability. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in the overall look and feel, so take a moment to try a few options and check contrast for accessibility. When you're happy with your design, click Share or Export in the top right corner. Sharing is great for quick feedback, while exporting lets you take your design into other tools or hand it off to a team. And that's it, your desktop website concept is ready.